Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Learning. In today's video, I will show you how to merge two columns in Excel without losing any data, even when you delete the merged cells. Let's dive right in. So we have two columns here, one with first names and the other with last names. To merge this into one, we will use the concatenate function. Here's how to do it. Select the cell where you want the merged data to appear. Type =concatenate. Select the A2 cell, add comma, double quotation marks for a space between the two pieces of text to ensure they are not joined together without a gap. Again, add a comma and select the B2 cell, first bracket close. Hit enter. Now you have both columns combined into one cell. But here's the important part. If you just leave the formula in the merged cells and later decide to delete the original columns, the data will disappear. Let me show you how to avoid that. Once you have merged the data, select the merged values, right-click and choose copy. Then go to the new column where you want to store the merged data. Right-click and under Paste Special, select values. This will save the merged text as static data which won't be affected if you delete the original columns. Now you can safely delete the original two columns. See, the merged data remains intact in the new column because we copied it as value. Now you can safely delete the original two columns. See, the merged data remains intact in the new column because we copied it as values. That's it. Now you know how to merge two columns in Excel and keep the data safe, even if the original columns are deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Excel tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.